Hello everyone. So today I'll show you how to make a cake out of vanilla cake premix with this weighing machine. So as you can see, I've started the machine and I'm placing the bowl. So let's first stir and remove the weight of the bowl, and then let's see how many grams of premix I have here. So this is around 217. We'll keep it aside. Take a separate bowl, again stir the machine and take around 100 ml of water. Approximately 100. So what we are going to do now is, I've taken this cake tin, I'm going to grease it with oil. You can use any refined oil which you use for most of your cooking in for lunch and dinner. Just grease it well. And then you have to dust it with little bit of maida, that's all purpose flour. Or you can even put a layer of butter paper inside. So I've dusted the cake pan here. Now let's mix the cake premix with water and oil. So this is our cake premix, and we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. And keep adding water in batches. Don't add the water in with this thing. Just keep on adding little water and just keep checking the consistency of the batter. Just see that it turns out into a smooth batter, and it has to be of flowing consistency. So as you can see, it's very easy to make a cake out of vanilla cake premix. You just have to measure the quantity of the premix and the water in equal quantities. That's it. This is 200 grams of premix, vanilla premix. I've added around 100 ml of water, and my batter is ready. Now if you want, you can garnish this with raisins or dry fruits on top, but I want to make cake with plain without adding any other raisins or dry fruits. So I'm just mixing it with water and with oil. So this is the consistency we need. And now let's pour the batter into the cake tin. You can bake this in the OTG for 60 minutes, or if you are baking it over a pan, that's a kadai, closed kadai, you can bake it for around 30 to 35 minutes. So our premix cake is ready, which we have just mixed with oil and water. After putting it in the cake tin, just cap it so that there are no air bubbles. And we just have to place this cake tin in the kadai. Or if you can even bake it in a pressure cooker. You have to remove the rubber from the lid, and don't forget to remove the whistle as well. So just place a stand in the pressure cooker and cook it on a low flame for the same time, that is around 30-35 minutes. Don't keep on opening the lid of the pressure cooker to check if it is done, because then sometimes the cake makes a narrow, it turns out shallow in the center. So this is all about making the cake with the vanilla cake premix, water and oil. This is the weighing scale I usually use. See that when you're using it, bring it to the normal 0 first. And then when you're placing the container, don't forget to tear it so that it comes back to normal. Then pour your contents inside and weigh it, and then accordingly use it. Thank you.